welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone front camera not working. In this video I'll explain how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should do to fix your camera is to restart iPhone. Restarting an iPhone can often help you to get rid of temporary system glitches that stops the camera app from functioning properly. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to general option. Scroll down to the bottom and then choose shutdown and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is force close and relaunch the app that is using the iPhone camera. Next thing to try out is force closing and reopening the app where you are trying to use the iPhone front camera. While you are at it, make sure you close all the background apps you don't need at the moment to free up some much needed RAM. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher and then find the camera app from the list and swipe up to force close it. And the next step is check camera permissions for the app. It's time to check in-app permissions. If you're trying to use the front or rear cameras in any other app than the native camera app, you need to provide permission in iPhone settings. For this, go to settings and then scroll down and tap the apps that enable to use the camera. Tap on it. Next, tap on the toggle button next to camera and you are done. And the next step is ensure your iPhone has sufficient storage. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. If the storage is full, you can offload unused app and delete unnecessary files on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is install the latest iOS software update. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option and then choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to general, scroll down to the bottom and then choose transfer reset iPhone, then choose reset and then choose reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone. I hope this really gets your iPhone front camera working again, because if doesn't, you will have to take an extreme step, that is reset your iPhone's factory settings. For this, in the general page, you have to choose erase all content and settings and then tap on continue and then tap on erase iPhone to erase everything on your phone. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix your front camera not working issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.